soul. Oh, I miss you, love you, see you later, baby was told. Yeah, but I know that those, they were just words, but the feelings really got me. He said, she said, love is bigger than the ocean. My love is big like the ocean. I don't think that you know this. You won't find no one else that could love you like I do. My feelings are with you. My love is big like the ocean. I think that you should know this. I miss you so damn much. I love you. You're my only one. You said I left. I regret the things that I said. I'm lost and stupid. The truth is my life was a mess. My lust was just a pawn, and God's got the master plan for us. Ooh, the trust is a must. I wanna prove to you how much I love you. My love is big like the ocean.
国产淘宝家皮买家具还在犹豫不决吗？新手小白买家具，如果不想任人宰割，你可以线上直接找杨师傅免费咨询。您只要提供品牌、照片、影片、房址等原因，可以参照产品咨询，就能提供专业建议给您。不管你是要买沙发、大门、流理台、地方、马桶、床垫、衣服，不管是进口品牌、国产品牌、东南亚品牌、家皮淘宝货，还是想要直接找安工厂定制，设置论材质、施工方式、实用性，还是要询问如何后续保养维修，品牌是否有保护、店家。家具小白免费线上咨询，也能协助进口国产甚至工厂购买。私讯粉专或 Line 找杨师傅。
My love is big like the ocean.